All right, I have been waiting months to try the 1UP birthday cake cold pressed protein bar. Gluten-free, not baked, no preservatives, no trans fats, no sucralose free, which you know I'm very big about. I love stevia based products for sweeteners. It's easier in my stomach. Trans fat free, of course, and non-GMO, so awesome. Cold pressed. I already opened it. It didn't get saved, but here it is. Birthday cake. Like a Rice Krispie. To be honest, it depends on what you're looking for. It's sweet. It has that like kick of sugary candy-like aftertaste that makes you feel like, yeah, I'm definitely having something indulging, something sweet, like a birthday cake. Again, it's crispy, like a Rice Krispie, so it's not so much a cake, but if you think about what it is, it's a cold pressed bar. So the fact that it's not baked, it's interesting, and I like it. I really like it. I approve it. Good snack, especially when you're in prep. Every calorie counts. You want sweet tooth satisfaction. Good option.